How to record a phone call on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can record a phone call on your Samsung device, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to record a phone call on Samsung, it's actually quite simple to do so. Open the phone application here and then come to contacts. Then from here you can just tap the three dots option here and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can go to the option called record calls, and you can actually select auto record calls, so you don't have to manually record the calls. Samsung is one of those very few companies that actually will let you record the calls without any announcement and auto record them as well. So you can turn on auto record. Next time whenever someone calls you, the call is going to get automatically recorded, and you can find all of the calls that you've recorded in this recorded call section, as you'll be able to find all the call recordings are placed over here. And if you want to delete the old recordings, you can do that as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then find and delete all the recorded calls. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.